Hi, welcome back to Dotspot. Okay, we left the man like this on the last part. So I'm going to go forwards with an explanation of what's underneath, because like I say, even cartoons have anatomy. And once you've learned this stuff, you can throw it in the bin and start to exaggerate. Okay, this is where we were. So I just want to simplify this and just take you back to the main blue lines and the red lines for the thirds on the head. Okay, what we're going to think about now is actually what's inside and the reason why we've got all these lumps and bumps on our head. And the reason is because we have a skull in there. Okay, let's go back over to the front facing, and our eyes, sit in an eye socket here, and our nose comes out of the skull in a hole in the skull, which is just higher than the fleshy bulbous area that we see. So these are the eye sockets. And then we have these cheekbones that come in, like this, cheekbones that come in. And our temples, this is a slightly soft bit at the side of your head near your ears. The back of the skull that goes up and around. Okay, so that's our head. This bit comes down to form the area where our teeth are. I could draw some nice teeth there, just very quickly. Okay, and then you have the jaw, like I said in the last one, that is hinged here and comes down and forms the jawbone here. Okay, so the hinges, if you like, are here. And this also has the teeth on it, like this. And we can give nice, easy peasy, simple teeth. Okay, now let's hide him. And like this. And you will see his skull. I hope you're not scared of skulls. Skulls are cool. So that's what's underneath. So let's have a look at where all those bits are at the side. Let's put him back on there and go and draw a skull from the side. So we have, we follow the same lines, and this skull, in fact, let me show you the picture that I had before because it's simpler, so you can see what I'm doing. So his skull comes in like this to here. Remember the ears I said about the hinge? There's the jaw that comes down. At the front, the nose doesn't go all the way, the bone doesn't go all the way to the end of the nose here. No, no, no. It stops about here. And you can feel it if you touch your own nose, that the top part is hard and the bottom part is all squashy. So the bone in the skull only goes to there. And then it comes back in, and then we have this sort of very strange, it sticks out like that towards the teeth. And that's basically where all the teeth are on the skull. So if you draw it like that, the teeth, the eye socket, like this. Okay, and this is the jawline. You also have the cheekbones which come around here. Okay, so let's hide him again, and you'll see the skull also from the side. Okay, so this is really, really important to understand what's inside your cartoon characters. And then after that, you can begin to embellish these skulls by elongating the heads and taking the nose, great big bulbous noses like this. But you understand that inside there is something going on. You know, he's got a big fat chin, a squarer jaw, big ears, tiny little eyes, a funny pointy head, you know. Okay, not the best drawing in the world, but you get the idea that from that base of having the skulls, anything can come once you begin to understand what you're working with. Okay, thank you. I'll see you in the next part where we go and look at how to exaggerate these features.